Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are really well. So I'm saying hi from Vienna. Me and Georgia have come to Vienna. She's over there. Say hi.
Hi.
No.
Okay.
She's chilling on a bed in a dressing gown. But eating Pringles. But I wanted to quickly do this video because you'll see it all in my vlog. So I wanted to kind of talk you through it first. So you guys would have known, I talked about it in my last vlog. For Valentine's Day this year, I decided to step up from treating myself to a Happy Meal McDonald's and treating myself to an Yves Saint Laurent bag. Which I think you'll be very pleased about. I think that's a good progression in life, isn't it?
I'm proud of you.
So I love the Yves Saint Laurent brand. I don't know what it is, it's just like my kind of vibe. I love all the handbags. So I have the black one already. Maybe I'll go get that for you. So this is the one I have already. You would have seen this. I wear it every day of my whole entire life, don't I? I literally have it everywhere.
Yeah.
And because I wore it so much, I was like, I really wanted a white one to go with white outfits, because you know I like white outfits, especially going into spring, summer. I don't know whether someone's telling us to be quiet. Or they're having a randy time.
Maybe a randy time.
Okay, our neighbours are having a randy time. So yeah, I love this one so much that when I saw this one, I just had to get it. So I buy a lot of my designer handbags from Designer Exchange. It is a second-hand like pre-loved handbag shop, so you can sell your handbags there, you can buy handbags there, and actually the two that I've picked up have been brand new, so it's not even like they're disheveled or anything. So if you're really savvy, like I check it, I'm not gonna lie, most days. Isn't that sad? I think I know more about it. So I checked the new in section like really regularly, and as soon as this came on, I bought it within like a second. And so this one retailed at about, I think, I'm not entirely sure the exact price, but I think it retailed at the time when it was out at about $1,500, and I picked it up from from Designer Exchange for $7.50, and then this one I think would have been even more than that, and I actually picked it up for, I think it was £450. It was such a bargain that I had to pick up straight away. So Designer Exchange, if you want to check out second-hand bags, get like bargains, oh my gosh, check it out. My Givenchy boots were from there as well. So this is my new baby. I don't know if you can see, it's got gold trimmings. Maybe I'll do a few clips of the like videos that I've shot like yesterday, but I just thought this was amazing for summer to wear with all my little girly dresses and stuff like that. So you can see it a bit clearer here. It has the Yves Saint Laurent logo just there, and it has, you can have it as a handle bag, but you can also put it over crossbody as a strap. So they actually have shops, like actual legit bricks and mortar. Oh, check me out. I went to university for a reason. They actually have bricks and mortar shops, which is like an actual solid shop in Chelsea, Kensington and Knightsbridge in London, which are all scattered around where I live, so it's super addictive. And they have one in Manchester, Leeds, Birmingham. You've got one in Spain as well, right? Madrid. So really global, but you can also check out in line, and I think they come online before they go into the shop. No, they go to the shops before they come online, right? Yeah. So you're better stopping by and seeing what's in there, but it's my favorite place to go. I love vintage shopping. I love like Oxfam and like all the charity shops, and this is like such a better version of that. So yeah, I just wanted to do a mini unboxing, and I'm going to tell you the name of the bag now because I'm really bad at that. It is Yves Saint Laurent Small Cabas Monochrome Tote Calfskin in white. And this one, I'm guessing, is called something similar, but it's slightly bigger. I don't know if you can see. This was a really handy size, so this is probably even handier, to be fair. I like them both. This one's smooth, whereas this one has got like a croc print on it. So yeah, this is my Yves Saint Laurent collection, and I like it loads. Right, so I'm gonna say love you and leave you. I just wanted to say that quickly before I did my Vienna vlog, but we've been in Vienna. We got to Vienna yesterday, and we were out doing stuff all yesterday. We're out doing stuff all day today, and then we're here again the day after. So tune in for the Vienna vlog, and I love you and leave you. Please follow me on Instagram. I'm at the Laura Blair. Come say hey. Don't forget to comment and like on my pictures because it really helps us bloggers out, because we all hate Instagram and the algorithm. And don't forget to follow Georgia, who's in the background. She's got a YouTube channel, George White. And see the other side of what we get up to in Vienna and Paris and etc. And yeah, love you loads. Design exchange details will be all down below in the description box, and I'll see you soon for another video.
Stuck in the middle of coming inside and walking out.